Good morning, everyone. Today I am here to teach you how to do the constructions. In class 8, construction means we have to study construction of quadrilaterals. How to do the constructions. Whenever there is any construction, first what we need is rough figure. Like when we are going to construct a building, plan is needed. Architect will be drawing the plan. Design will be made and then plan will be made properly. After getting the proper plan, the one who is doing the work, mason and the workers, laborers will be able to do the construction work according to the plan. So first thing is a plan has to be made. How many rooms and what should be the size of the room, how many windows, where should be the door, etc. etc. Entire plan will be made first. After that, construction will be done. So same way, when we have the construction of triangle, construction of quadrilateral, etc. First thing is draw the proper rough figure. Let me explain this topic with the questions which are given in the book itself. That is our first question. Exercise 9.1. Question number 1. Question number 1 is construct a quadrilateral ABCD when AB is 5.5 centimeter. So simply draw a rough figure. We don't know what is going to be the shape. So simply a quadrilateral ABCD. Any shape, no problem. Because it is only rough figure. ABCD. In ABCD, they are saying AB 5.5. AB 5.5, BC 4.4, AD 3.3, AD 3.3, then CD 4.6, BD 6.6, BD 6.6. So that means this diagonal is given 6.6 centimeter. All these are centimeter. Now looking at this figure, this rough figure, we have to start. And whenever there is a construction, it is better to start from the base, like a building. Building always we start from the base only, isn't it? First, the base has to be made. After that, first floor, then second floor, then third floor. Like that, we can make the building. So same thing applicable here also. Always it is better start from base. So that is AB. AB 5.5 centimeter. So let us make it 5.5 in the beginning. 5.5 centimeter AB. As soon as we do something, give the name. That is a better thing. AB 5.5. Then what is needed? From A to D 3.3 and from B to D 6.6. So we can think about point D, something like last year's construction of triangle. So first we are planning to construct this triangle because AB is there. Now D is 3.3 away from A and 6.6 away from B. So first take 3.3 in the compass. 3.3 in the compass. From the using the scale 3.3. Correct, 3.3 is measured. Arc is drawn. Draw a big arc. Now what to do? So from A 3.3, now from B 6.6. From B 6.6 from B 6.6. This need not be big one because already we know that meeting point is here. First one we are making a little big one because we don't know where is going to be the meeting point. But now second one, small one is enough. So we got the point D. This is the point D. We can join it. So this point is D because this distance is taken as 3.3 and this distance is taken as 6.6. Now we can think about point C. Point C. Point C is 4.4 away from B and from D, not from A. From D 4.6. 4.6 from D. So take 4.6. 4.6 from D. 4.6. First arc always bigger one. Because we don't know meeting point either here or here or here, we don't know. Then from B 4.4. 4.4. So we got the meeting pointer. This is a meeting pointer. That is going to be the point C. So joining it again. Okay. This is quadrilateral ABCD. This is 5.5. This is 3.3. This is 6.6. 4.6 and 4.4 quadrilateral ABCD. All the four sides are given and one diagonal is given in this question. Then let us see another question. Question number 3. Question number 3. First figure. Question number 3, again ABCD only. ABCD. Construct quadrilateral ABCD when AB is 4 cm, BC 6.5 cm, CD 5.5 cm, AC 8 cm, AC 8, this one. AC 8 cm and DA 5.4. So instead of giving BD, AC is given. Anyway, our procedure is same. We will start with the base, that is AB 4 cm. AB 4 cm. In the middle we are doing, so that left side also, right side and left and right and top, bottom, everywhere we need a space. Bottom we don't want because we are starting from the bottom. But at the left side also, right side also, because we don't know whether it will go to left side, yeah, right side, etc. So let it be in the middle of the page. 4 cm, AB 4 cm, AB. Now which point? We cannot think about D because D we know from A 5.4 and from C 5.5, but we don't have C now. So first think about C. C we can get it because from here 8 and from B 6.5. So from A 8 cm we can take. This is exactly like last year's triangle construction. Okay, we are going to make one triangle. This triangle SSS construction. 3 sides of the triangle are given. So simply we can do 8 cm and from B 6.5. So take a 6.5. Correct 6.5. So this is going to be the point C. Meeting point is C. Joining it B with B and with A. So we have ABC. Now we have to think about D. D is 5.5 from C and 5.4 from D. 5.4 from A. 5.4. 5.4 and from C 5.5. 5.5 from here, from C. From C 5.5. So when we are joining, we are getting the next pointer, that is point D. This is point D. So quadrilateral ABCD is ready. Okay. Third construction. Third question. When here also same thing, 4 sides and a diagonal given. Instead of this diagonal, another diagonal given. That is only thing. Since this diagonal is given, AC given, first we are thinking about C. After that, this triangle. Then we will go to another question. That is, let it be question number 5. Question number 5, construct a quadrilateral PQRS. Construct a triangle PQRS, question number 5. PQRS, in which QR 4.5, QR 4.5 centimeter, RP and SP 6, RP is this one, RP and SP 6, RP 6, SP is also 6, this also 6, RS 5, RS 5 and QS 7, QS 7, this diagonal is 7. This one 7 and this is a 6. Now I am writing only 6 means okay, but 7 also came, so I am marking like this, showing that this is 6, this is 7. Okay, now you see rough figure. One side 5, one side 6, one side 4.5, this is 6, this is 7. That means base is not there. Other than base, all the things are there. And we have to start with the base. So it will be better to change the figure, to change the rough figure. Why? Because in order to start with the base, that base is missing. So instead of starting with this PQRS, we can just change what is the problem. We will change the rough figure as PQ, instead of keeping it as base, take it somewhere else, PQRS, PQRS now. So these PQs are known, all the other things are there. So mark it once again, first pass. That is a QR 4.5, QR 4.5 centimeter, RP is, and SP 6, SP 6, RP is also 6. RP and SP 6, RS 5, RS 5 centimeter and QS 7, QS 7, that means this one, this diagonal 7 centimeter, and this is a 6, this is 6, this is 7. Okay, marking like this. Now we can start in the normal way. This also we can do, there is no problem, but it will be easy to change it into this one. We can start with SR without any trouble. The normal way, ordinary logic. So starting with the SR. How much is SR? SR is a 5. SR 5, marking it as SR. After that, if we want to think about P, P means from here 6, from here 6. So go for that. From both the place, this triangle we can get. This from S 6, from R also 6. From R 6 and from S also 6. This point is going to be P. This point is P. After that, we have to think about Q. Where is Q? From P we don't know how much distance, but from S we know. From S 7 and from R 4.5. From S 7 centimeter. So take it 7 centimeter. This much is 7. From S 7, remember it. Okay. So from the rough figure, we have to do all the work. 7 centimeter from S. And from R 4.5. from R. Q here. Now joining. This is Q, join PQ, that means PQRS now. If you are joining P and Q, PQRS, PQRS, this will be 4.5, 6, 5, this is 7, this is 6. Now, some of you may be thinking the shape is not coming. Is it okay? Any problem with the shape? This shape is correct only. Surely these two shapes are not matching because it is only a rough figure. We don't know the shape. Simply we made a quadrilateral. Simply ordinary quadrilateral PQRS is written. We don't know the shape of this one. Maybe going towards this side, maybe going towards that side. We don't know. So this is the original figure. It is only a rough figure just for showing this one, like the plan. As I said, building, how many rooms in the top floor, how many rooms in the ground floor, etc. 3 rooms, and then how many windows, how many door, all these things are marked there. So looking at that, we are drawing. Only for that purpose it is made. Okay, rough figure is made. So this is a correct shape. Then we will go to the next question. If you do with this question, this rough figure, exactly same thing will come. But we are not doing this because here base is not there, this one. Now, looking at this, thinking about a correct rough figure, not spending any time. Simply fast PQRS and writing fast. Very fast we can do all this. And then noticing that it is not okay. So we are going for another one, that only. All of a sudden, if you are noticing, as soon as you read the question, when you notice PQ missing, you can take in this way PQRS. Suppose not noticed, no issue. It is only rough figure without wasting any time. Simply 4 lines are drawn. So that we can do again, no issue. Okay, so we are not using this, using this. Next question. Next we have question number 7. 7 also ABCD, construct ABCD in which AB 4, BC, CD, BD and AC. ABCD. ABCD in which AB 4, BC 5, CD 3.2, BD 7, BD7 and AC 8.5. AC 8.5. AC 8.5 and BD7. Okay. What to do? First to draw the base. Base AB 4 centimeter. AB. Now we can think about C. C means 8 centimeter from A and from here 5 centimeter. 8 centimeter. From A 8 centimeter and from B 5 centimeter. From B. See, that is the purpose of big arc. I told you in the beginning. We don't know whether meeting is here or here or here. So since it is big arc, I need not repeat again. Otherwise, not meeting means I have to measure again and I have to produce it. So first itself better go for a big arc. So I got the point C. After getting the point C, what we can do? Think about the next one. ABC. Now think about D. Where is a D? Location of D from C 3.2 centimeter. 3.2 from C. From C 3.2 centimeter, and that is very less amount only. Distance is less. And from here 7. From here 7. So let it be little more big one. But remember, it is not a meeting point. Okay, our arc only one arc. Now from here 7. From where? From B. From B 7. See, this is a meeting point. Okay. So meeting point is this one. That point is going to be D. So joining it with the A and with the C. See the shape? A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. This is a 8, this is a 7. If you want, we can draw, otherwise not necessary. Not necessary to draw this diagonal, because question is to draw the quadrilateral. So quadrilateral ABCD is drawn. If you want, we can join, saying that it is 7, it is 8. I hope it is clear. Now we will go to the next question, that is question number 9. Question number 9. Question is like this. 4 sides of a quadrilateral are 4.5, 3.6, 5.6 and 4.2. No name given, so we will give as we wish. Let it be ABCD. A, B, C, D. 4 sides are 4.5, 3.6, 5.6, 4.2. Angle between the side 3.6 and 4.5. That means angle between these two is 60 degree. 60 degree given here. Angle between these two is 60 degree. Construct quadrilateral. See, one thing you have to remember. They are saying 4 sides are given like this. 4 sides are 4.5, 3.6. So I have to write continuously. If I start from here, first, second, third, fourth. After writing first here, second here, I cannot write third here. Continuity compulsory. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. No problem. Otherwise, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 side means. I cannot say that this is first, this is second, this is third. No. Start from anywhere, no problem. Then after starting from here, either clockwise, that is this direction, otherwise anti-clockwise. So first, second, third, fourth. I marked like this. Angle between these two is 60. Now what to do? First we will start with the 4.5 centimeter. That is AB. Now at B I need a 60 degree. 60 degree means using protractor, not allowed. Construction is possible. So use compass for construction. 60 degree we know. One arc and one more arc. 60 all are knowing. Lower classes we studied 60 degree line. This is a 60 degree big line. On this 60 degree, where is C? 3.6 centimeter away. So with the compass 3.6 from compass, using compass get to 3.6, that is point C. Compulsory, we cannot simply take it like this. Okay, we can get it, but procedure is not okay. So 3.6 centimeter, that is point C. So we got ABC now. Now from C we know where is D, 5.6 away, and from A 4.2 away. So get a 5.6. Get a 5.6. 5.6 here. This is 5.6. From C 5.6 and from A 4.2. 4.2. From A 4.2. So this point is going to be point D. So we can join A to D and C to D. This is ABCD. ABCD. Okay. We will go to the next question, question number 10. Question number 10, construct a quadrilateral ABCD. ABCD, construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB 5 cm, BC 6.5, CD 7, angle B 120, angle C 90. Angle C 90. See, maximum things are given on BC. If you want, we can proceed with this, no mistake, no problem. But if you want, we can change it. BC we can. If we will be more comfortable when we take BC down. BC down, so I will write A, B, C, D. I will be more comfortable with A, B, C, D, this figure, because BC means 6.5. Angle B 120, maximum things I know here, angle C 90 degree, and what else, CD 7, and AB is 5. So same figure, instead of doing with this figure, we will think about this figure. This figure is better, but no mistake, we can do. Okay, surely we can do. We can turn the copy and we can do. Yeah, so first with the BC, I will show with the BC with this figure. BC is 6.5 centimeter. BC 6.5. BC. Now at B I need a 120 degree. 120 construction we know. With the convenient radius, first draw an arc. Convenient radius not very small and not very big. Once if we cut, it is going to be 60 degree. One more time and we are cutting, that is 120, we all know. So that is 120 degree. Draw a big line, and on that how much, 5 centimeter away, point A is there, 5 centimeter away. So take 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. This is point A. This point is point A. Now I need a D. Distance is 7, but one distance is not sufficient. The two distances I must be knowing. Otherwise something else. Here 90 degree given. At C I have to get a 90 degree. That also we all know. First draw an arc. And once if you are cutting, that is going to be 60. One more time cutting means 90. And from 60 and 120 if we take again, that is going to be 90 degree. So this is 90 degree line. From here, once drawing an arc and with the same radius, once from here cutting 60, once again 120, from 60 and 120 cutting 90. Now on this I need a 7 centimeter. So take 7 centimeter, because on 90 degree line 7 centimeter away D is there. This is 7 centimeter. So this point is going to be point D. So A is already there, D is also there now. So we can join it. That is going to be AD. So we got what, literally ABCD, A, B, C, D. I hope it is clear.